See how it's still bumping all over the place. I'm not going to touch it till it warms up. Oh, it's not even warmed up yet. That's much better. So in these clips, they're all clips from the last video, the what am I missing deal. So all through all that stuff, I kept saying, it still has to warm up, still has to warm up. Let it warm up, you know. So standing in front of the motor, adjusting linkage and stuff, you don't really see what's going on in the back. You know, I see it peeing real good. But then watching the videos back, the water is just blowing out the blubber hole. And that's an indication that the thermostat is either not in there or it doesn't work. Anyway, when you first crank one of those motors up, there shouldn't be any water coming out those blubber holes until it gets hot. Then the thermostat opens, then the water starts spitting out. Circulates, cools the motor back down, and the thermostat closes again. I didn't see any of that happening. Just every video, the water was just spitting out, spitting out, spitting out. Well, let's go check out that frickin' 81 and see if that plate's gonna come off nice and easy. Pain in the ass. So that was one of my biggest fears with this thing. Now, this should fit. It's just gonna have this little, for some reason, it's like one size fits all. But that's why I looked for this thing in the beginning episodes of this motor. I was like, yeah, son of a friggin' fragger schmagger. You know, take this whole thing off just to get that friggin' thermostat out. The water looks good though. Yeah, a little bit in there. This thing too had good spark. See that where I just dipped it in? A little oily-ish. But doesn't have big clumps, you know. But this thing had originally, when I first tested it, great spark, jumped a big gap, good compression. Start taking this thing off. Man, I hate this with a passion. So, I'm gonna say it now. These outboard gods, help me get through this without breaking any bolts. And the other thing too, all the nice paint's gonna get chipped off. Pain in the ass. The last one I did, this one came out, but I broke one somewhere else. And if they feel like they're coming out and then all of a sudden twist, so hopefully that's not gonna happen. So let's start right in the middle. Oh, looky there, baby. Looky there. Oh my Lord. Please let them all be like that. Oh Lord. Uh-oh. Has that one been no, there it goes. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, thank you, outboard gods. See, you always gotta say your prayers, baby. Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. My biggest fear is nowhere near anymore. Now see, even there, that amount of tension, a little bit more tension, and you still think it's coming out, but the damn thing is actually just twisting off. She's out. I'm going to put a little bit of spray on it. Some PB or something just to be safe. Doesn't spray out. She's out, baby. Hee hee hee. Again, thank you, Outboard gods. There's that middle one. But for the most part, everything else is looking pretty good. There we go. Found a spot to just tap it off. There's a thermostat in there. Oh, crusty. Look at it hanging out. Wow, look at how crustacean. Wow. I'm going to flush this whole thing out. Wow. Like I said, hopefully that's why. It's smoking, chugging. Sounds like it's missing when it's not or shouldn't be. Well, the whole gasket came off. Scrape a little bit right there. Sweet. So when I put it in the top like that, it's coming out the bottom, but not as heavily as it does when I put it in this hole. Boy, it's pouring out when I do that. So I'll get a little brush, clean this up a little bit. It's not bad. It rinsed off pretty good. Put some plugs in it and flush it that way too. And it should come out real good with that new impeller in there. Oh yeah, baby. Old and new. Look at this. The spring on this thing is all shut up, and man, what a mess. See where the spring is on this one? I still can't believe that thing is that screwed up. Nice and purty. Look how clean it got in there, that wire brush. Then what I'll do, fire it up, flush it out. And then hit it with the brake clean before I put that gasket on. All right, got the plugs gapped and put them in. Start position, choke. Uh-oh, what happened? There it goes. My choke was sticking. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, it's coming out. Oh man. Let me turn my idle stop screw down a little bit. Get this thing back down. All right, so it's just before the first mark, and here we go again. Wow, big difference from the last time, right? I mean, the choke, when I went to turn the choke off, it stuck again, so it sucked a lot of fuel in. Let me bring it up to about the second mark and see if we can blow it all out. All right, that was me. I leaned it and then backed it up a little bit. All right, I think it's flushed. Let's get it back together. There's some crap down there from flushing it. Oh yeah, the difference here. Wow, nice. It's still going to be oily and everything in there until this baby heats up and blows it all out. Get Mr. Thermostat in. Get it on that rubber. This will get blown out once she heats up. Well, that was pretty quick. The gasket fell off. Razor blade, boom, 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 wire brush, bing, bang, boing, ding, dong. Yeah, that's the fun part. Creates. Let me see what they feel like. I can't imagine the torque would be that much. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, everything's back on. Plug wire. Let's fire it up and see what we got. She got to warm up this time with all that new crap. Start position. I'm not even going to choke it. See how less smoke there is? Still doing that typewriter thing though. This is what's pulling it, this damn lock cable I got on here. She's warming up now. Trying to keep the pea water in the bucket. It's starting to open. Here it comes. Ooh, it's hot, baby. Here it comes. Well, two things. She's still got a little smoke. The water's coming out hot. Is great. Still wants to do that typewriter thing. I think it's this cable that's pulling the hell out of it. Or helping. I got a lock on it. And my roller is hitting the cam now, way before the first mark. I thought I had all that done. Yeah, she's moving right from way down there now. How did that happen? I gotta reset this roller. Let's close that frickin' carburetor butterfly up. All right, it's closed. Let's tighten her up. Let's see if she idles by herself real quick. I'll put it just at the second mark. That's all the way down with the carb butterfly closed. Sounds like shit. way too lean. Big improvement. It's hot, man. Now, wait a minute. This is not smoke, it's steam. Holy crap. That's not smoke now, it's steam. Look at it. If it was smoke, it would be smoking up the place. That's friggin' steam, baby. It's just, look at the plant down here. It's dripping down from the steam. Yep, look at my hand. Well, don't sound too bad right there. A little tweaking. Sounds good. That's the best she's done so far. I don't know what this camera's looking at. That's the best right there, baby. I'm happy now. Time to get it on the boat. It's not bad for an old motor. See, all that'll have to be done on the boat. You tweak it the best you can in the tank, get it on the boat, dial it in. Yep. That's freaking steam.
Thanks again for tuning in to this week's episode of This Old Outboard. Follow the real life saga, baby, and get your subscription today. It's This Old Outboard, baby. You know the channel. Oh yeah, baby.